Alright, let's explore what it's like living with a foldable phone as a daily driver. These innovative devices promise a blend of smartphone and tablet experiences. How do they hold up in everyday use? Let's find out. First impressions are key, and with foldables, they're often stunning. The sleek designs and the wow factor of unfolding a larger screen are undeniable. But beyond the initial excitement, there are some practical considerations. Durability is a big one. These phones have moving parts, raising questions about longevity. Modern foldables have improved significantly, with stronger hinges and more durable screen materials. However, it's still something to keep in mind. The user interface is another crucial aspect. The software needs to be optimized for the foldable form factor. This includes features like seamless app transitions and the ability to run multiple apps side by side. Most manufacturers are doing a good job in this regard. The user experience is generally smooth and intuitive, but there can be occasional hiccups, depending on the app and phone model. One of the biggest advantages is the larger screen. This is fantastic for media consumption, gaming, and multitasking. Watching videos is immersive. Reading articles, browsing the web, and working on documents become more comfortable. Multitasking is improved, allowing you to have multiple apps open without feeling cramped. This can boost productivity. Of course, there are downsides. The price of foldables is usually higher than traditional smartphones. This makes them a significant investment. The bulkiness is another factor. Foldables are generally thicker and heavier, even when folded. This can make them feel less comfortable. Then there's the crease in the middle of the screen where it folds. While it's become less noticeable, it's still there and can be distracting. The battery life can be a concern as well. The larger screen and more powerful hardware can drain the battery faster. You may need to charge your phone more often. So, is a foldable a good daily driver? The answer depends on your needs. If you prioritize a large screen and multitasking and are willing to pay a premium, a foldable might be perfect. However, if you are on a tight budget or prefer a smaller, lighter phone, a traditional smartphone might be better. Foldables are constantly evolving, with improvements in durability, software, and design. As the technology matures and prices come down, they will likely become more mainstream. They offer a unique and compelling experience for those ready to embrace it. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into living with a foldable phone as a daily driver. I've been using one as my main phone, and I'm ready to share my experiences. First, the wow factor. Foldable phones are undeniably cool. The ability to go from a compact device to a tablet-sized screen in seconds is still impressive. It's a conversation starter. But beyond the novelty, how does a foldable hold up in everyday use? Let's break it down. One advantage is multitasking. Having a larger, unfolded screen is fantastic for running multiple apps side by side. It boosts productivity. Then there's the immersive experience. Watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web on a larger display is more enjoyable. The bigger screen provides a more engaging experience. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Durability is key. Modern foldables are more robust, with stronger hinges and screens. However, they're still more susceptible to damage than traditional smartphones. Be mindful of dust, water, and drops. The crease in the middle of the screen is another factor. You'll see it, and it can be a minor distraction, but you get used to it. Battery life is also something to consider. Foldables often have to power larger screens, which can drain the battery faster. It's crucial to be aware of your usage patterns and potentially carry a charger. The software experience is generally very good. Features like split-screen multitasking and app continuity are well implemented, making the experience seamless. Now, the downsides. The price is a major factor. Foldables are still significantly more expensive. Another issue is the weight and bulk. Foldables are heavier and thicker than regular phones. This can make them less comfortable to carry around. Then there's accessory availability. The selection of cases and screen protectors is often more limited. So, is a foldable right for you? If you value multitasking, an immersive experience, and the latest tech, and you're willing to pay a premium. A foldable could be a great choice. But if you're on a budget, prioritize durability, and prefer a compact device, a traditional smartphone might be better. Living with a foldable is a unique experience. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology, impressive features, and some compromises. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile devices. Thanks for watching.